Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to move on with the line work and we are going to work on the B part. Now the B part is a square having a dimension of 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 120 by 120 with these divisions inside. So let's quickly do it and move on to the next. So we first begin by drawing a square of 120 by 120. To measure these 2 points. Measure 120 and here. Then I'll draw a vertical line. And I'm also going to measure 120 in this direction too. So 120 and here. Should draw a horizontal line with my T-square. Like this. Right, so we have our square now. Alright, so we have 20, 20, 20 throughout. So let's mark out 20. So let's mark out 10 in addition. So 20. So I marked out 10 instead. I'm going to do the same thing too for the bottom part. Right. So now we know there's a line that goes through from one end to the other end. So let's draw that one from one end to the other end. Then I'll take in these ones too. Taking these ones too. Alright, so let's move on. So you are coming to draw these ones. Now these lines are short dashes and they go to the 20. So let me mark out the 21 in case it's not so visible. I think when I deepened it, it cleaned some of them. Yeah, and these lines are continuous thin lines. So from here, finally. Alright, so we are done with this one. Now let's draw this one. Now with this one, realize this one goes all the way through, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We also have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this maps onto here, but it ends here. This maps onto here, but it ends here. So let's draw the one quickly. So the first one is from one end to the other, but it ends here. So that's the first one. Second one from here to this side, but it terminates here. The next one here to here ends there. Why didn't you draw this? Next one here to here ends there. Next one from here to here ends there. Finally from here to here ends there. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right, so that's it. Now the next one is this one. Alright, so we have this one now. Now we know this one is a straight line that maps onto this one. So let's draw that one first and foremost. So we know this to be a straight line from one end to the other end. Right. Now the rest, the divisions in between are 10. Now this 10 maps onto this 20. Because if you have to place your ruler there, it follows it to this 20. Next one, follow it. So let's start. So this maps onto this one, but then it's terminated here. Next one maps onto this one. It's terminated also here. Next one maps onto this one. It's terminated here. Next one maps onto this one. It's terminated. Finally, this will map onto this. And we have it. Now let's do the same thing for the other side. So now this will map onto the 10 to end here. This will map onto another 10 to end there. This will map onto another 10, end there. This maps onto another 10, ends there. Finally, this maps onto this one, and it ends there. So that's it for the B part. Alright, so now let's move on to the next one. Thank you.